Good day, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Head to NHMX. It's September 17th, 23. Yamaha Day at NHMX. They are located in Leominster, New Hampshire, East Leominster, New Hampshire. If you're familiar with Tony LaRusso, he owns the track. Yeah, we're gonna go there on my YZ. I got the suspension back, so the bike needs to be set up. I'm just going to tool around. I'm pretty exhausted from my weekday rides this week. Hit it pretty hard during the weekday. Yeah, I just wanted to reach out and say thank you to everybody. I reached the 750 mark for subscribers. Looking to get to 1,000. That's kind of my goal, and greatly appreciate it if you set it out there and try to get me more subscribers, and obviously like and comment as you wish. But we're gonna check out the track. I don't think much has changed. It's Yamaha Day, so we'll go to the Yamaha pit and see what they have and maybe demo a 24. But my goal today is to set up my bike because I just got the suspension back from Billy Ainsworth, BA Racing. Bike, awesome suspension. So stay tuned, and I'll give you an update on the ride home later. Whoa! Yeah, typical Chad. Pulls off after a couple laps when you're trying to get some footage. Left me hanging. But we'll do a couple laps at NHMX with me on board. And yeah, today was Yamaha Day. I was going to try to test ride a 24 bike. They didn't have a 250F with the new platform, so I failed there. The line was really long. I could have ridden the 450, which is the newest frame platform, but I elected to focus on my bike today because it's pretty new to me anyway. But yeah, if you've been here, all's the same. The lips of the jumps weren't like cute. They weren't like built up really good. So some of the stuff was hard to clear on the 250. I'll be honest. I wasn't really charging hard here, but we'll give it a go. If you have not been to this track, like I said in the beginning, it's in Leominster, New Hampshire. The place is awesome for foliage in the fall. Like, it's kind of down in a pit, so you can see all the elevation changes. But here's the starting stretch when you start off at a race or when you get on the track. This gradual left to right hand switchback. There's usually a bump right in there that gets you screwed up. This table. Then a single and the right hander. I don't know why, but I was always practicing inside ruts. My buddies were going outside and railing that. Trying to jump this to the top. I wasn't really trying to jump it, trying to hit the inside. And then you drop down here. I don't usually take this inside unless trying to get around someone clean. But outside's preferred. Third gear here. Jump this little like distance jump to braking bumps, taking this right. I was going inside or outside, whatever's in front of me. My suspension right there in those rollers was amazing. Doing that little mound, the hill jump down the hill. I didn't jump at that lap, but I ended up greasing it a couple times. There's a mound there with a huge kicker in it. Taking this right hander, gradual uphill, the drop off, and then this left. I was working on the flat track-ish kind of stuff today to see how my tire was biting. Hit that tunnel jump table. Then this single, and now you're on the gas hitting these tables, overshooting this one like crazy. Hit fourth gear, downshift to third, hitting I totally messed up that berm, but whatever. Skid sliding this, trying to get square to this so I can hit it. I just never felt safe hitting that coming off at an angle, but going down the hill, back up to the switchback, it's like a sand section. It was muddy today. This is usually like a double-double, but like I said, all the lips were not spiced up today, I'll say that. Then do that left-hander and jump down this hill. Another more sand section, this outside berm. I was switching it up between the left and right lines, and then the tabletop. Now you're at the right hand, left hand. I was doing the inside more, the right lane, not this one. It's like a Joker lane turn. Then hopping up this flat table and then hitting the single, and that's the lap at NHMX. I was biting on the inside here, trying to work that edge. No, it was a good day today. Real sunny. I had to leave early. It was my birthday, so I had to get back to the fam. I kind of did like 3-4 short motos. I had no crazy game plan. I was just trying to set up my suspension, so I felt slow, but after watching this video, either the bike's really loud, but just watching the footage, I felt like, damn, I was kind of hauling, and I didn't feel like I was hauling. So I don't know, comment if you think that's the case, because you see my videos, I see them too, but the video coming towards you, like the view, felt fast on this bike here today. I don't know, I don't recall what it was like on my 350, but I felt like I was ripping. It looks like I'm ripping. I didn't feel like I was ripping. That's what I meant to say. But all in all, maybe I'm getting faster, I just don't know it. Hopefully that's the case. I'm trying to race here this weekend, and it looks like the extended forecast shows rain, which would be really bad for me. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but anyway, I'll let this run for another lap or two, and yeah, enjoy. good day at NHMX today. Just riding the Yamaha, trying to dial in suspension from BA. The bike is way more plush. I noticed I can bury the thing into like any motocross section whoops. It's a lot softer than it was, so I gotta adapt to that. I think I might have to stiffen up the compression a little bit and figure out my high speed on the shock. Other than that, things seem good. It was a great day, fun day, nice weather. It was Yamaha day at NHMX, and met a bunch of people there, and I was with Chad and Rhino, just getting after it, doing motos, trying to feel the bike. I got a little burnout going out right now. I kind of rode too much in the past week, so it's not as, like, I'm not itching to ride as much. It's not as fun, but I'm also going from my 350 to the 250. The power is way different, the bike, platform, you name it. But undecided of what I'm racing at Jolly or NHMX this weekend coming up. We'll see. It might be a 350 kind of a race, but I'll give the 250F a couple more shots and we'll see. All right, well, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe again, and stay tuned. We'll catch you at the next one. Later.